Before buying a tonneau cover for your Tundra Crewmax, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Tonneau Hard Folding Cover. Let's kick things off with the Tonneau Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Priced at $499.95, this cover immediately caught my attention with its polished finish and solid build quality. If you want a stylish and secure option for your Tundra, this is worth a serious look. It features shine-finished aluminum panels that not only look great but also protect against scratches and UV damage. Plus, it locks securely once your tailgate is closed, giving you peace of mind about your cargo. With a 4.6-star rating from 599 reviews, many buyers rave about its weather resistance. It's tear-resistant and can handle heavy rain, snow, and dust. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the included instructions carefully, most users find it manageable. Just keep in mind that you may need an extra pair of hands for the best results. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style and security in your truck bed cover. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget solution, but honestly, for the quality, it's a fair price. Now, if the installation concerns about the Tonneau bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Next up is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, which runs at $248. With a 4.7-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, this one stands out for its affordability and ease of use. If you're looking for a great balance of quality and cost, this is definitely worth your attention. The T3 cover fits 2022 to 2026 Tundra with a 5.5 bed and is made from heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl. That means it's designed to withstand harsh conditions while keeping your cargo safe and sound. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide support and allow for full bed access when you need it. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is great for peace of mind. Here's the thing, while some users reported wear and tear after extended use, many others have had a great experience with it for years. So if you're not planning on using it in extreme conditions consistently, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cover without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for heavy-duty use, but overall, it's a solid investment for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $207. Its 4.6-star rating from 2,200 reviews shows that plenty of people trust this cover. If you want something easy to use and install, this is a great pick. Its roll-up design gives you full access to your truck bed when you need it, and the adjustable tension system helps keep it tight and wrinkle-free in all weather. The Velcro seal on the sides is simple but effective, ensuring that your items stay protected. However, some users noted that getting a perfect fit can be tricky, especially with certain bedliners. But here's my take. The installation process is straightforward, and once you adjust it, most people find it does its job well. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use cover that still protects your cargo well. Skip this one if you're not patient with the initial adjustments. Otherwise, it offers excellent value. Now, if you need something even more specific for your truck, let's move on to another worthwhile option. Product number 4, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up 6.5. Next, we have another Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, but this one is designed for the 2007 to 2013 Tundra with a 6.5 bed, and it's also priced at $207. Just like its sibling, it boasts a 4.6-star rating, which speaks volumes. If you have an older model Tundra, this is an excellent choice. This cover features the same durable 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl and roll-up design, providing full bed access and easy installation. The stainless steel clamps and adjustable tension system help ensure that it stays secure, no matter the weather. Plus, it seals nicely with the Velcro strip, so you won't have to worry about water getting in. However, some users have indicated issues with the Velcro losing its stickiness over time. But here's the deal, this can happen with many similar products, and most users still find it to be an effective solution for their needs. This is perfect for you if you own a 2007 to 2013 Tundra and want an affordable, reliable cover. Skip this one if you're looking for a hard cover. It won't give you the same level of security. Finally, let's wrap things up with a high-end option that gives you a little something extra. Product number 5, Toptony Hard Folding Cover 66. Last but not least, we have the Toptony Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover for the 2022-2026 Tundra with a 66 bed, also priced at $499.95. With a 4.6-star rating from 599 reviews, this cover truly delivers on quality. If you're after top-notch protection and style, this is the one to consider. It locks securely when the tailgate is closed, ensuring your cargo is safe. The weather resistance is impressive too, keeping your truck bed dry during rain, snow, and dust storms. Some users pointed out that the price is a bit steep compared to soft covers. But honestly, if you're serious about protecting your cargo and maintaining the look of your truck, it's worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a secure, durable, and stylish cover for your Tundra. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but the value it provides is hard to beat. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 Tonneau covers for Tundra Crewmax. Each of these options offers something unique, catering to different needs and budgets. So to quickly recap, we have the Toptony Hard Folding Cover for premium protection, the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold for a balance of quality and cost, the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up for easy accessibility, another T1 for older models, and finally the Toptony Hard Folding Cover again for those who want style and security. Pick the one that fits your needs best and you won't regret it.